Hi, in this video I will show you CoreStuff from C Suite. It's the C Suite is developed by the CuboCore group. I will you will find the link in the down in the description. So let's hop into it. This is the CoreStuff. It's an application launcher for Linux. It's very useful for the small touch screen device like this one. This is my project called mutantC. It's a Raspberry Pi handheld, or you can call it UMPC. So let's see. So this is the button. It will activate and deactivate the or show and hide the CoreStuff. You can move it around. So in this side you will see all the widgets. You can add more widgets. I only add 3. Yeah, first one is the system widgets. It will shows us root partition size, RAM usage and CPU usage. And this one is the network. Now there is nothing downloading or uploading, so it's 0. And this one is the favorite apps widget. You can set only 5 widgets here, 5 apps using the Core Garage. I'll show you how. This one, yeah, you can set the widgets. See, it's gone. So all this you can delete and add. Okay, then this is the apps section. All the apps from system will show up here, so you can scroll and see all your apps, installed apps. You can open any apps by single clicking. Like, let's open CorePad. Yeah, so let's open Core Terminal. So how you go back to CoreStuff? You can minimize, or let's open minimize, or click this button twice and it will bring the CoreStuff. See, you can move it. Yeah, so how you go back to the opened Windows? So this is the page. You can see all the open apps. Like I open Core Universe, CorePad. This is the PDF viewer, right? So this is the pins. I'll show what is pins. So all the apps show up here, all the opened apps. So you can close anyone from here. So you can click. Yeah, so this is the pins tab or bookmarks. All the bookmarks from the any core apps will show up here. Like I bookmark some folders, so it will open the system file manager with the destination music, or like the PDF. You have to click only single time or single click to open the, because double click is not convenient for the touch devices, so single click will do. Yeah, in this one it will show up all the activities. Yeah, I opened, yes, September 30th, the CorePad and Core image. You can go back there, just click it. I clicked crashed. Yeah, oh no, it's right there. I didn't saw it. So let's open CorePDF. Oh, it crashed. I'm using the development version, not the stable one, that's why it's crashing. So all the opened activities will show up here. The stable version doesn't crash, don't worry. So in this one, all you can make session. Let's show you how to make a session. Click this one, add session. It will ask the session name. Suppose I give RF. So add a new item, click this one. Let's click this one to add an app. Let's see core image, right? And let's select some files. It will ask a folder or file. I'll add files. So let's go to the file destination. Suppose this one. Okay, then click done. So it's already added. Now we will add another item. Let's click CorePad, add file, click done, and it's added. Add another one. Let's add a system app like leaf pad, or if I find utilities, I think a leaf pad. Open, add a file, see, done. So leaf pad. You can add any apps that doesn't require any files. Suppose utilities. Let's open the G calculator. Click done. Okay. Then click OK. It will show up all the items you selected with the session name. So let's clear the task because there is not much RAM in Pi. The 1 GB will not be enough. I think it's a bug to click double click here like 2 times. It will be fixed, I think. So let's open a session. So you created these items, so see all the paths. So click there, it will open all the files with the selected apps. See, I selected the Core FM with the license, sorry, CorePad with the license file. So it opens the license file with the CorePad. Let's close it. Choose a picture with the core image. So I can show. It's showing all the pictures on that folder. So let's close it. Yeah. G calculator didn't open because I selected a file. That's my mistake. Let's edit. Try to add G calculator again. Done. Click OK. Now try. I think it's a bug. I'm using the unstable version. So This is CoreStuff. It's very usable in a small device like this one. You can resize it. I'm using a mouse because my pen is this pen doesn't work so well with the touchpad. You can resize the both side. Yeah, the apps are not in the Raspbian, the official Raspberry Pi, so you have to compile by yourself. Okay, thanks for watching. I will see you in my next video.